It's the book of Luke. It's the book of Luke 21, verse 11. It says, "And great earthquakes shall be in divers places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven." Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father. The true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, and name Hamashiach Yahushai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Balash Wakadash tongue. And I say Bawakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'ak and Wa'ak, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of June the 15th. I'll say the 15th. Yeah, June the 15th. June the 15th, 2025. On this Sunday afternoon. And this is from Barons.com by the AFP Agency France Press as of June 15, 2025 at 1:13 p.m. Eastern Time. It reads, it says, one dead after a 6.1 magnitude earthquake in Peru. A 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck Peru on Sunday, killing one person and triggering landslides, officials say. It says the quake hit shortly before noon and was centered around 30 kilometers, 20 miles from the Callao, a port city next to the capital of Lima. It says the National Seismological Center says the U.S. Geological Survey put the magnitude at 5.6. It said Peru says the tremor has not generated a tsunami warning. It says a man died in Lima when a wall fell on the car he was driving. The National Police says the TV channel Latino showed footage of a landslide in several areas of the capital city. The quake also prompted a suspension of the major football game being played in Lima. It says Peru lies on the so-called Ring of Fire, express intense symptomatic a volcano activities around the Pacific Basin. Peru average at least 100 detectable earthquakes every year. The last big one in 2021, an amazing region, had a magnitude of a 7.5 that left 12 people injured and destroyed more than 70 homes. The devastating quake in 1970 in the northern Ancash region of Peru, it says killed around 67,000 people. And this is from the latest earthquakes from earthquake.usgs.gov. And you had a 3.7 magnitude of an earthquake, 87 kilometers northwest of San Antonio, Puerto Rico. 4.5 earthquake occurred 106 kilometers southwest of Bancaliu, Indonesia. 2.8 earthquake recorded 55 kilometers south of White City, New Mexico. 3.2. It's gonna stay like that. 3.2 earthquake occurred 55 kilometers south of White City, New Mexico. 3.2 earthquake occurred 14 kilometers south of Fort Irwin, California. 4.4 earthquake recorded 41 kilometers east of northeast of Caliat, Pakistan. 5.2 earthquake recorded 72 kilometers west of southwest San Antonio de las Cobarras, Argentina. 5.6 earthquake recorded 23 kilometers west to southwest of Callao, Peru. 4.6 earthquake recorded. 87 kilometers southwest of Sitdown, Indonesia. 2.5 earthquake recorded. 25 kilometers south of Jacob, Puerto Rico. 2.5 earthquake recorded. 32 kilometers south of Denali National Park, Alaska. 4.3 earthquake recorded. 28 kilometers northeast of Calimán, Chile. 3.2 earthquake recorded. 18 kilometers southwest of Big Water, Utah. 2.7 earthquake recorded. 233 kilometers southeast of Cheyenne, Alaska. 4.8 earthquake recorded. 11 kilometers west of northwest Baoyuan, China. 3.2 earthquake recorded. 75 kilometers north of San Juan, Puerto Rico. 4.7 earthquake occurred. 33 kilometers south of southwest of Carioca, Solomon Islands. 4.8 earthquake occurred. 72 kilometers north of Pinto, Madagascar, Timor-Leste. 4.4 earthquake recorded. 42 kilometers southeast of Latio, Solomon Islands. 2.8 earthquake recorded. 7 kilometers east and southeast of Clayton, California. 4.4 earthquake recorded. 150 kilometers southeast of Pandalutan, Philippines. 5.1 earthquake recorded in the Pacific Antarctic Ridge. 4.6 earthquake recorded 88 kilometers southwest of Machu of Nicaragua. 3.1 earthquake recorded 37 kilometers north and northwest of Valdez, Alaska. 4.5 earthquake recorded 48 kilometers southeast of Yuna, Bolivia. 3.3 earthquake recorded 52 kilometers west of northwest of Nome, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake recorded 51 kilometers west of northwest of Chalialas, Idaho. 2.6 earthquake recorded 9 kilometers southeast of Indios, Puerto Rico. That was the latest earthquake as of January 15, 2025 on Sunday. Once again, Luke 21 verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be heaven. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of June the 15th, 2025 on this Sunday afternoon. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kokodash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach Abshai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lash Wakadash Luton, and I said Wakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Wakwa, to next time, say Shalom. And then ran into the fence like that.